How do you change the colors of a bubble chart? In this example, I have a bubble chart using category and region with category on color, and I have a bubble chart where I have two different colors, shades of blue for west and shades of orange for east. Let's hop into a new sheet and show you how to do this in Tableau. I've added a new sheet. Let's start by building the bubble chart. Let's grab sum of sales and double click it, region, and category. I'm going to change it to a bubble chart by clicking show me and choosing packed bubble chart. Now you can see the color is on category and region is on text. There's a bubble for each unique category and region. The simplest way to change the color is going to be by dragging region while holding Ctrl and dragging it to color. Now, instead of categories driving the color, the regions are driving the color. The second example is more complex. What if you want to have two different diverging colors? Let's add a new sheet and do that. Let's build the bubble chart one more time with sales, region, and category. Turn it into a bubble chart. This time, since I want to shade them differently, I want to write some if statements. First, I'm going to drag region to filters. I only want to do a sample of this, so I only want to use east and west. And let's write a calculated field. This is going to be for the first color type. So call it blues. I'm going to type if region equals west, then sales, end. Okay. And let's add a second one for oranges. If region equals east, then sales, end. I'm going to bring both west. I'm actually going to bring west up to rows so I can bring in measure values. So if I drag west to rows, I can drag east to the axis to give me measure values. And I can turn it back into a bubble chart by dragging measure values to size. Measure names to details. And you can see the color is still on category. So let's drag measure values and put it on color. If I click on the drop down on measure values and select use separate legend, I can change the scale. So I can set the east values to be orange and the west values to be blue. And now we have two separate diverging colors in a bubble chart. You can also add something like segment to expand this out. Hope this helps.